5 best ways to build wealth. A life skill for today's classroom. Imagine a classroom where students not only learn algebra and history, but also the secrets to building wealth, skills that will shape their future. Today, we're diving into how to make and build wealth and how it can be seamlessly integrated into modern education. Building wealth is more than just making money. It's about adopting the right mindset, learning key skills, and applying proven strategies. But how do we bring these lessons to life in today's classrooms? Let's break it down. Part 1. Start with the wealth mindset. It all begins with the wealth mindset. Teach students, and yourself, that wealth isn't just about money. It's about goals, habits, and believing in your ability to grow. For example, a classroom activity could be a Dream Big exercise where students set financial goals for their future, like saving for college, starting a business, or even traveling the world. Part 2. Build financial literacy. Now, let's talk financial literacy, the foundation of wealth. Instead of boring textbook lessons, how about using real-life scenarios? Imagine asking students this: you have $100. Should you spend it all, save it, or invest it? You'd be amazed at the conversations this sparks. Part 3. Teach the power of saving and investing. Saving is good, but investing is where the magic happens. Here's a classroom idea. Teach students about compound interest using an example. Say you save $10 a week and invest it at an 8% annual return. In 20 years, that's over $24,000. How's that for motivation? Part 4. Explore multiple income streams. Here's another wealth-building secret. Don't rely on just one income source. Teach students about side hustles or passive income, like starting a small business or selling a product online. Who knows? They might turn that classroom idea into the next big startup. Part 5. Learn from real stories. Let's make it personal. Share inspiring stories of people who started small and built wealth. This makes students see it's not about being born rich, it's about making smart choices. Invite guest speakers or even share your own journey. By integrating wealth building into education, we're not just teaching kids to dream big, we're giving them the tools to make those dreams a reality. The next generation of financially empowered leaders starts right here, in the classroom. What do you think about learning wealth building in school? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on education and personal growth.